Need some inspiration to create something to outshine your competitors? Check out Skinny Teatox. The brand's homepage immediately grabs shoppers' attention with its fresh vibe using pastel colors and cute icons. In this video, we will use Foxify to build a multi-column section based on this popular Shopify site.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme and get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now let's dive right in. I'll start with creating a new page. Here I will create a home page, but it's worth noting that you can use any page type you want. I will use a blank template. Give the new page a name and set the page layout. I will choose a blank layout. You can select other layouts as either use your current theme layout or create a new layout in Foxify. Then I will add a multi-column section to my page. Set the number of columns on the desktop layout as 2, and adjust the column gap between them if needed. Then, I will change the content layout to horizontal instead of vertical. Add the section header for the heading and subheading text. I will change the new block's position. Start with the heading. I'll select a Google font Roboto for this. And change the text color. Similar with the subheading text. You can also make a font as favorite for quicker use later, or use global styles features. To learn more about this powerful feature, check out our video for it. For the heading, I will adjust the letter spacing value as well. Now, let's add icons to our columns by clicking on the image block. Then select or upload an image. You can see my images are now a bit small. I will adjust their size in the Styles tab. In the multi-column grid, changes in one column will be reflected in others. After that, I will adjust my heading and text of the column. Adjust the spacing between those elements if needed. You can either fill in the value manually like this, or use the live margin and padding feature. Now, click on the section to add a border to it. Select the border style, its color, and width. I will add more margin to my section as well. To better view the section we have just customized, I will add an example section before that. Now my section is ready. Remember to save on the new changes. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future videos. Thank you for watching.